G'day. Tonight we're going to see how well the Snugpak Jungle Bag works, and if necessary we throw in the jungle blanket to see if we can bring the temperature rating down and still have it comfortable. So the Snugpak unit, the jungle bag and the blanket are both rated at 7 degrees Celsius comfort and down to 2 degrees Celsius extreme. Well, right now it's 8 degrees and it's getting down to 6 tonight according to the weather report, so we'll see how we go. Alright, let's have a look at our situation. Alright, as you can see, according to that, 7 degrees. It says it goes through its cycle, and we'll check later on. Shut up. There we go. Okay, now to get into bed. Okay, I'm in. Not the most comfortable, but fine. I've got the jungle bag on. I'll keep my bearskin tactical hoodie on. I've only got a cotton polyester shirt underneath that. Tracksuit pants, that's it. Socks. I'll put some gloves on. I've got my beanie on. I'll probably pull the hood over for additional warmth. We'll see how we go. What I will do if it gets cold is use the jungle blanket. I'll pull that over the top, see how that goes. And let's just experiment. Alright, catch you when I wake up shivering with cold. Alright, it's still officially 7 degrees and the jungle bag's handling it. My back isn't handling this self-inflating mattress. I need 2 of them, I think. But yeah, definitely warm enough. Now I've thrown the jungle blanket over the top of the jungle bag. It's fine, I can feel the warmth. Definitely, as it says on the tin, down to 7, comfortable. 2 in extreme. With the 2 together, I think we get down to 2, even 0. Should be alright. And yeah, worst come to the worst, just wake up and put a fire on, or drive home, or do something. Let's see how much longer we can go, how much lower we can get. Right, well, this definitely works down to 6 degrees, no problem, which it is at the moment. So I think with the 2 working together, the jungle bag with the jungle blanket, 0 degrees is doable. Starting to feel a bit funny in the toes. I think thicker socks or 2 pair of socks would cure that. Happy to put the gloves on. So the gloves would certainly help. I'm going to give this, call this a night or an early morning, because it's just too uncomfortable, which is a good lesson as far as sleeping in the car is concerned. It's too short, and I need a second mattress. The self-inflating mattress just not enough. And this is why we do these test camps in the backyard or whatever, because you know, you can figure things out and snip back inside nice and comfy. You don't have to suffer. It's a smart way of doing it. Anyway, it's been an interesting exercise. G'day.